Before starting the installation, make sure that there is no voltage on the connection cables. Activities related to installation, connection and adjustment should be performed by a qualified electrician who has read the operating instructions and the functions of the device. The ZCM-32 digital programmer is for implement time functions in automation and control systems. The switching operation is dependent of sunset and sunrise times. The device has following terminals A1 and A2 for supply voltage. The programmer could be supplied with voltage range from 24 to 230 volts AC, or from 30 to 300 volts DC. Terminals 11, 12, and 14 are the outputs of the first relay. Terminals 21, 22, 24 are the outputs of the second relay. IN1 terminal is for control the first channel. IN2 terminal is the control input of the second channel. The device could be sealed, by this access to the programmer is restricted. The special feature of the ZCM-32 device is the programming option by using the memory card. This allows to quick setting transfer among the other programmers. Additionally, by using the memory card and the programmer, PPZ01, it is possible to program settings by using PC computer. ZCM-32 digital programmer has a convenient keyboard. OK key is to wake up the device, or to confirm entered commands. The button marked as hand is to manual control the relay outputs, or allows to quit from previous menu. The button marked as a clock sets the device to automatic operation. Buttons marked with arrows are for moving between menu settings. Wake up the device by pressing the OK button. On the main panel is the menu, with following functions. Pause function. Delay function. Time function. Date function. Time auto function. Coord function. Input function. And also, pen function. Each functions are for setting programmer. Pause function is for setting the night pause. Proceed to the channel selection mode, then to first channel. and the second one. Begin from setting the first channel. Set the start of the night pause, the start hour, and minute. Confirm the values. This is the start of a night pause. Proceed to the setting the end of the night pause. Set the time. Set the minute. Holding the arrow button for longer time speeds up the time setting. Start of the night pause at 2:05. The end of the night pause is at 5:30. Proceed to setting the night pause for the program a second channel. Set the start of the night pause. Hour. And minute. Confirm the values, then night pause starts. Proceed to set, end the night pause. Set the time. Set the minute. Start of the night pause for the second channel, and finish the night pause for the second channel. In order to adjust the circuit switching time to current conditions, use the time adjust for the first channel. It can be both positive and negative. This applies to adjust and set in this video. Which is switch on adjusting. Given value are minutes. And also, time off adjust. At this point, negative adjustion is shown. It means that the circuit will be switched off earlier than expected. Set the adjust time for the second channel. Set the switch on adjust time. The maximum value is 120 minutes. Set the switch off time adjust. Check the current time. Then, set the current hour. And also the current minute. Time format can be displayed as either 24-hour or 12-hour time. Current time is displayed in the main menu. Proceed to date setting. Choose the year. Choose a month. Choose the day. The date was created, April 2, 2017. The device automatically calculated the current day of the week. Astronomical time programmer ZCM-32 PU has automatic day-saving time adjusting. The user can change the summer and winter time by manually selecting the user option. By default, this option is set as automatic. Check the geographical coordinates of the installation site, then enter them into the programmer. Begin with latitude, degrees, and also minutes. Enter longitude, degrees, and also minutes. External input. The device has two external inputs. Set the first one associated with the first output of the device. It is possible to run and also switch the operation mode. Input in could be disabled. Same settings could be applied for the second channel. Memory card is used to transfer programmer settings among other devices. Save the settings to the card. Then, move the card to other device. Select the pen option. And read the settings from memory card. Put the ZCM-32 PU device on DIN rail. Connect the wires, phase wire as well as the neutral wire. Phase wire, connect to terminal A1. Neutral wire, connect to terminal A2. Connect the receiver wires, the receiver's phase wire as well as the neutral wire. The phase wire goes to terminal 14. The neutral wire goes to terminal A2. Receiver neutral wire, put to terminal A2. Terminal 11. Bridge with terminal A1. It will be supply voltage by phase wire, to the receiver. Connect an external button, for control the device through the IN inputs. The first wire will pass the phase signal. Connect it to the A1 terminal. The second wire will pass control signals to the IN1 terminal. Connect the wire to the IN1 terminal. Connect the second wire of the controlled circuit. The first wire to terminal 24, the second one to terminal A2. The first of the wires pass the phase signal. A second wire, connected under A2, pass the neutral signal. Check the astronomical sunrise time, as well as sunset time. Astronomical sunset will occur at 7:07 p.m. Current time is 7:06 p.m. Illumination has started automatically. Illumination has been switched off automatically at sunrise. Check the night pause settings. The night pause is set to 2:05 as begin. The night pause will finish at 5:30. The night pause will start at 2:05. The relay will be switched off. The night pause finish is scheduled at 5:30. Now is 5:29. The relay is switched off. Startup will occur at 5:30. Activation of the relay is also indicated on the display. ZCM-32 PU Time Programmer is an extension of the basic model of the ZCM-32 programmer. The difference between the devices is the lack of external memory, as well as power supply of 230 volts only.